Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Daniel in Dublin. Today is something different. I never did this before. We do unboxing. Why unboxing? Because I have something what I want to show all of you. I think it's very worth to see and I highly recommend. I was very lucky to get this stuff on a half price. I got this stuff before a long time ago, was amazing, worked for me really well. And now I will be back to this product again. Why I have an opportunity to show you what is in this box. I don't really do unboxing because I just buying and using, but this stuff I keep for good 4 days until I have some time to show you and talk about this product. Let's start. Product of the day and my favorite ever product. It's a toothbrush from Foreo. This product have a name Foreo Issa. That first part was Foreo Issa. After they do some modern end of on the toothbrush, and this modern end have a name Foreo Issa 2. And I found set. This set have a name Men's Grooming Collection, and we have a toothbrush, some cosmetics, and we have a new modern end for our toothbrush. That means we have a Foreo Issa and Foreo Issa 2 in one, and also we have a small face brush. I have this brush from many years. That's the best product ever. This brush work amazing, clean your skin amazing. It's nothing better. I never try anything else because this is the best. I don't even want to change for anything else. But we can talk about this later. Actually, I have a video on my channel when I talking about this face brush for men. Have a name Foreo Luna. Okay, let's open it. Slowly. Yeah, I can crush the. Okay. We have first this product. Okay. This is just a new box because it's a grooming collection pack, like extra special. Because my first Foreo Issa look like that. Actually, they come with a wide box, like that. And I have something. This is gel for cleaning face. I hear lots of really good reviews about the cosmetics from Foreo for men and for women. They are very good. They absolutely the best. Wow, smell amazing. Why squeeze something? Oh, it's black. Why it's black? Okay, no, it's just black. Cool. Smell really good. I think I need to wash my hand now. Cool, amazing. I'm really happy with that. I want to try. I never tried the product because for my Foreo Luna for face I'm using just Dead Sea mask and cleanser. It's like just actually salt and water and some shea butter on it. That's been pure organic, super clean, fresh and healthy, without extra parabens and stuff like that. But we will see. I can try this. Mineral something refresh. We will see. Probably it's mineral because smell absolutely stunning, have a nice consistency. But this is not about the product. This is about this absolutely amazing toothbrush, very futuristic design. Just first I need to wash my hand. Okay, my hand is clear. Okay guys, that's the toothbrush. How you can see, super fancy box, almost like iPhone or iPad. Very nice structure with the all information, blah blah blah. Nobody really read that. We can open. Not that easy. Oh yeah, beautiful. I don't want to destroy this part because this is our number of warranty. We just need to keep this number and we need to register our toothbrush online, and after we know this warranty is working. And I'm just crushing most of the stuff, and after it's difficult to put this back while I keep this nice. I think that looks quite nice. Okay, what we have? We have our toothbrush and we have some some extra kit. That's our charger. That's end from foreo issa 2, the new end. That means you just change this and you have a brand new issa 2. And this is the face brush, the small one. This face brush is travel, like you can use at home just because of the small. And it's sonic face cleaner, and this is for I think 800 times, and after when it's gone you cannot recharge that, but 800 times is more than a year. I think it's really cool. Okay, and what we have? We have our warranty, we have information how to use, we have a fridge magnet, we have a manual. Oh, beautiful. And we have a small cover, wow, leather one, for our toothbrush. And that's our toothbrush. Don't destroy it, guys. Toothbrush look like that. This part is silicone, always clean, always perfect. This part is for massage, and when you washing your teeth, this actually massage you inside. Very weird when you touching because it's super softy and shimmery. Also have a one button here for start, and it's plus faster and minus is slower. You press and it's working faster or slower, faster or slower. This light, blue light here, when you finish, stop the self program is I think 3.5 minutes or 4 minutes, I'm not sure, I don't really remember. Also here you have a space to put the charger. Here you are. This toothbrush is of course waterproof, and the battery is enough, if I need to be honest with you, 1.5 years. And after I recharge again, and it was good for like good 1 year. And my previous toothbrush just somebody smashed. This was on the shelf and fall on the floor, marble floor, and this part was completely broken for like 2 or 3 pieces. Why I changed for another toothbrush, but I'm super happy to back for this one. Shape is amazing, how you can see. It's super easy to clean because it's silicone. I didn't saw that new end before. Okay. This end is different because have a regular hair here, not just a silicone for cleaning. Okay, cool. I don't really want this. I want to stay only with the first one, but good to have a nice tube. And this is a face cleaner. Oh, I have another fridge magnet. Yeah, and the warranty and some promotion code for another product. Yeah, and that's the face cleaner. Wow, super soft. Look like that. With the bottom on, you just press on and clean your face really, really, really well. It's cool. For trip, perfect. I'm not using for the trips cosmetics and brush. I prepare before trip to save time and place in my luggage. But the product is really cool. Looks very nice. Good. Like, I'm really happy because for this old product, I don't remember how I pay. I think around 200 euro. When toothbrush it's around 200 euro. And here I have a product and I have a small foreo Luna for the face. Everything ready, everything beautiful. I can't wait to start to use. I show you my foreo Luna brush for the face. If you don't remember video when I present this stuff, you can see now they look like a set. Of course they have this toothbrush with many different colors, blue, green, purple, yellow, good view. And but my face brush is black and my toothbrush will be black as well. I show you all set how it looks like. That's my foreo Luna. The big one, the regular size. So look like that. Work the same, faster, slower. And here on the back, it's massage option. Why I have a brush for the face, toothbrush, and now small baby, and the end. And some product, super cool. I can't wait to start using. I'm really happy with that. This brush clean your tooth really well because look how big is the end. Go a really deep one, and just because it's silicone here, it's so handy to clean, so easy. You can find on the website foreo Luna, foreo issa, or just foreo.com. Lots of information about the product. It's absolutely amazing. Okay, I know it's very expensive, and if I need to be honest with you, this old product is to make someone else very rich, and you just buying and you have a more and more and more stuff what you don't really need. And I know that because I was very consuming from last 10 years, and now when I'm getting old, I don't buy shit what I really don't need. But this is with me like good 8-9 years, maybe 10 years, and it's absolutely stunning. And I charge this like 3 times maybe. And I don't really do anything with my face, with my skin, but sometimes if I really need to clean, this is absolutely the best one. And I highly recommend. That was around 250 euro when I bought a long time ago. I think now it's cheaper. I don't know how much, but for sure they go down, the price go down. This is cool gadget. I'm really happy with that. We don't need toothbrush. You can put some baking soda on your finger and you can clean, and will be the same effect, even better, without all chemical what you have with your toothpaste. If you're using something without fluorium, phosphorium and stuff like that, maybe it's more safe, but we all know we don't need this. This is just product to buy and spend money. That's the thing. And something like that, to spend 200 euro or even more, yeah, it's just fancy thing. But it's something what you're buying one time for a really long time. You have this for years, work really well with your body, with your tooth, and I highly recommend. I think this is the best toothbrush ever in my life, and I got a lot. My previous one, what I'm using right now, it's I think I have a Philips Diamond Care, the Philips Sonic Diamond Care, around 400 euro with fancy box and everything. It's okay. I think this is much better. easier to clean and looks much more beautiful. Of course, that's my opinion only. And yeah, I'm happy with it. Another end, I don't want to use it because I don't like the hair inside, but I have this as a set. I can wait to try this product because it's smell amazing. It's made in France, and maybe will be amazing. I don't know what is inside, but I presume will be perfect as this toothbrush. Yeah, that's it. That's my unboxing. Quite horrible. I supposed to give you billion details and read all stuff from the box, like where it's made, what to do, how to good it is, blah blah blah. But if you are interested, you can check the website and you can find more information about this product. I just want to show you something because it's something unusual. I don't know too many people who are using this toothbrush who even know about this. More people know about Foreo Luna face brushes because I think few years ago was big wow about the Foreo Luna, but after was this small one brush, you know, like you can keep, and here was something would move. That was actually very bad because actually destroyed, damaged your skin because it was so strong. But everybody bought the some sonic brush for the face, and the prices between this and that one was quite big. That was much more expensive, I think around 100 euro that time. And lots of people started using the regular brush, and people forgot about this one. Just this one survived, and nobody really care about this other one. Why I think the same will be with this toothbrush. It's just a quality, it's design, it's beautiful, it's a luxury and working really well. And oh, that's the cover is leather. My previous one was like some kind of silicone, but was very cool, very handy. It's just the silicone, it's easy to dry, you don't need extra boxes. Super cool. Guys, foreo issa, highly recommend it, love it. My the best ever, and that's the product what I always love from first time when I bought first product. And if you want to try, check website, check information. All this product like face brush and toothbrush, absolutely amazing. Thank you very much for listen. Maybe it's not really super like, you know, how it's supposed to be, but that's my reflection about the product, and I'm super happy with that. I can't wait. I'm just going straight away to my bathroom and I will be just wash my tooth. Also, I bought some in TK Maxx. I bought some Australian toothpaste without all chemicals. It's very natural. Smell really weird because they are natural as always, but I think this two things will be matched really well. Thank you very much for watching my unboxing from Foreo Luna, and have a great day.